Hello and welcome to another Brand Impact 365. My name is LaMorvielle, and today I want to talk to you about something I've been noticing. A lot of online sellers, especially if they sell on certain platforms, they are devaluing what they have to offer. And they're doing it without realizing it. So let me explain. I sell right now currently on, I started selling on a couple different platforms, Poshmark, whatnot. I've sold on eBay. I've sold on Depop. I've sold on so many different platforms with my business, Lamore Fashions. And I was recently on whatnot, and there are a lot of sellers who claim or say that they have a lot of luxury items for sale, right? This is nothing but luxury or luxury vibes. We've got luxury bags, luxury perfume, like all these luxury terms, but then they are offering these luxury items at $1 or $2 starts, especially on Whatnot. Whatnot is a live auction platform. And so, yes, your auctions will start at lower cost than what the retail value is, but come on, guys, $1 start, $2 starts on a luxury item. Now, mind you, okay, if you are familiar with the platform, whatnot, when you do have a dollar start, okay, this will work only if you've got hundreds of people in your show and you say $1 starting bid on this $1,000 bag, and then the idea is the bid should roll up until you get a decent offer, the offer that you're looking for. But a lot of these sellers I'm seeing, they have like 10 people in their show, maybe 20 people, maybe 5 people, maybe one person, right? There's not a lot of people in their show, and they're offering these luxury items at $1 start, or these luxury services at very low prices, right? I had another seller I was talking to, and their idea or the format of their business is that they do like personal shopping, right? They want to make you, get the luxury feel, right, without the luxury price. And so that's like a contradiction in a way, right? Luxury is about the price. That is the whole point of luxury. Luxury is supposed to be something that feels exclusive, that is, again, not everybody can have it. So when you are saying that you have a luxury item, but not at the luxury price, or you have this wording that, anybody can get what I have to offer, but it's all luxury, it almost devalues what you have to offer. It's like it's confusing, right? If it's luxury, how is it that you're offering it for me for only $10 or $15, right? Luxury vibes are supposed to be high end, feel, like you're feeling like you're getting something that not just everybody can get. And that's why people pay for these luxury vacations, right? These vibes, or not these vibes, but these offers where the vibes are, you don't pay for anything up front or while you're there, because you paid all this money to have this luxury stay and get taken care of with butler service and everything like that. People want to feel, comforted and feel like they are getting something that not everybody gets to have, right? So, especially when you're talking about luxury. So, if you're a seller or you are a business owner and you offer this luxury vibe, right? Don't use wording that makes it seem like they're getting a deal, or they're getting like, that everybody can afford what you have to offer. You really have to understand that luxury is for a particular type of person who is willing to spend the money to get those luxury vibes, right? So stop devaluing your services, right? I had to put that in my own perspective, right? I have this idea where I have this luxury brand or this luxury feeling brand, but then my pricing was like $19 a month for this, right? I have this high end offer, but I'm offering it at a pricing that anybody can tap into, right? And my services aren't for everybody, it's for a particular type of person. So by offering your or by making your prices so everybody can tap into it, you're really not serving anybody. You're really not, you don't really have a particular customer. So think about all of this. I hope this is making sense to you, right? Because again, if you're talking about being impactful brand and you are saying you have luxury items, okay, make sure you're impacting correctly, you're impacting positively, because with the wrong type of wording, you're actually devaluing your brand and people will not purchase from you. They'll actually feel uncomfortable because your brand seems a little contradicting. Okay. So if you're luxury, go all in, put the price in there, make sure, it doesn't scream deal, get a deal, right? It's about the luxury vibes and showcasing the value of what you have to offer. I hope this video, my friend, brought you value. If it did, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Our goal is to eventually go live here, but again, we do have to hit our milestone in order to do so. So thank you again so much for your support. Subscribe, hit that button, subscribe. And again, I appreciate you. All right, friends, I'll see you in the next one.